Hey class, right now our focus is grading your GIF article quiz. We are going to take a look at the correct answers. So let's go ahead and get started. When you took your quiz, question number 1, the correct answer was B. If you went with this a hard G like in goody, for those short shared looping videos, you got that right too. So again, question number 1 was B. Question number 2 was D. People debated how to say GIF when GIFs were invented in 1987. Talking about a conclusion a reader could make after reading the article is that people have disagreed about the correct pronunciation of GIF for a really long time. And this would be evidence to support that conclusion. The next question was question 3. Correct answer was B. Which sentence from the article would be most important to include in a summary of the article? So summaries get all the major main points. And of course, that one was B. To set the GIF record straight and spread the news, GIF has partnered with Giphy on a marketing campaign. I like everyone to notice here the hard G pronunciation on the GIF label. Last question, correct answer is C. You were to read the following sentence from the article and then say how the detail developed the article's central idea. We also call that the main idea. So here is a detail that developed the main idea. It shows, let me reread the sentence. We are teaming up with Giphy to put a lid on this decade-long debate and prove there is only one GIF. It's creamy, delicious peanut butter, not a looping picture you can send to make friends and family laugh, said GIF Vice President of Marketing in a release. So our correct answer is that this detail develops the idea that GIF believes GIF and GIF are pronounced differently. So that's it. See you guys next video.